All right, guys, welcome back. Number 6 here. I'm just gonna be doing some minor stuff today, I think. I'm gonna start with fixing this hood. The fan melted and the motor's not working right now, so I've got a new fan, new motor for it. And I'm also gonna put on the gray tank vent, which melted, and then there's an air brake. That's for the black tank washout that I'm gonna stick on. So we'll be doing that today. So let's get to it. I think I'm gonna paint this thing black, clean it up, sand it, paint it black, but let's get it. This could probably use some redoing. The glass for the light bulb, it's kind of the wrong color, isn't it? I think I got a new light bulb somewhere. Pretty sure. Take them off, I guess. We'll have to remember how they went back on. Shouldn't be that hard, right? Whoops, I just broke this one. My wire cutters, light bulbs, switches, clean filter fan and grease laden surfaces frequently. Probably just paint over this and never worry about it again, right? Which I think is going to be the plan. There's some corrosion under this one here. Let's see if this plastic scrapes off. There's some corrosion up here too. Hi, Darel. You want a bad TV doll? You do? Say hi. Yeah. Uh-huh. What else? Why are you yelling? You're a good boy, aren't you? Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, Darel's a good boy.
He's an old boy.
That don't clean up too bad. Ow, I'm gonna need a tetanus shot after this. Come off. Still there. Whatever. Let's just go rinse it off, let it dry, and then we'll paint it. I'm just gonna try to knock a couple thin coats on this in here. We got some black. I wonder if this is a flat black or what. Cap is flat. It doesn't say on the can. It just says any angle. Any angle. Okay, let those dry and then we'll see if it needs another coat. Let's see if this thing here cleans up any. Probably not. Probably not, but maybe. Clean up enough for my work? Sure it will. You even really need a cover? Hello? Clean that off, check that out. Oh, I can see my finger through it. She's a little dark over on the edges. Perfect, beautiful, totally restored, like secondhand. All right. While we wait for that paint to dry, this is the vent for the gray tank. It melted. Just gonna screw into there, put these guys on. This is the air brake for the black tank flush. These air brakes are rebuildable. There's I don't know if you can see it inside of there. There's a little float, a plastic float. They want $20 for that, but you can buy the whole valve for $22, huh? Okay. And that'll go in there. Good. Like so. We can go stick these in. I think I'm gonna screw this one in. We'll find out. Let's cut this off. That'll work. The twisty side. Should we just try to run it through the same exact place here? How far up do we want this? Let's cut it a little long. We can always shorten it. Well, I think that'll work. There's that. This sucker goes on to there. Why is that not going on to there? Is she melted? Perfect. Gooder as new-ish, right? Next. I wonder if my screws are gonna fit. So this, it should screw into there with my little screw. Yes. Where's my other one? Uh-oh, I only have one screw in there. Where'd the other one go? I found it. Nice. Which way does this go? Should go that way? 12 volts. This is 12 volts. How do you know it's what? The right side's plus. We want it to suck in. That'll be the negative side. All right, so this one is positive. See which way that's going. It feels like it's going the right way. Yep. Did that right. We got that. We got that perfect. Maybe it sits this way. She seems a little not quite the right size. We bend her. We bend it. We make it work. We make it work. All right, we'll put that in. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be painting these window frames, so I'm taping them off right now. On the inside, I got that one done. I'm just gonna spray the face basically like this. I'm not gonna spray into it. Some of them I might, but these I'm not gonna, because they have that black plastic trim that the window slides on. If I paint it, it's just gonna peel off and look terrible anyway in the long run. So we're just gonna avoid that. We're gonna take the glass off so we don't paint that, and then we'll spray paint around the edges. So let's get it done. One down. Alright, there's two. All right, those are taped up. Get some paint on. Okie dokie. Next. Next. All right, let that dry. Oh, put a second coat on. Okay, round two. Perfect. Let's get this other one. I'm getting high in here. Okie dokie. Let that dry. We'll pull the tape. Oh, it's beautiful. Looks good.
Nice.
It's gonna have the trim ring on it too, which will look good. All right, there they are. Those look good too. Looks nice. All right, guys, I did some on the door jamb. That looks pretty decent. The trim for the inside looks good, so I am ready. I was waiting to put the wallboard on until I got the windows painted. So now I can put the wallboard on and not have to worry about the windows. And then we can do some painting. So once I start doing that, it's gonna start taking shape, I think. Put the cabinet up, do wallboard. But for now, I think that's gonna wrap this one up, guys. So we'll see you on the next one. Stay curious, chase your dreams. I'll see you around the bend. Happy roaming.